How to upload audio to Google Drive on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any audio file in your Drive in just a few taps. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. After that, tap the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Upload. At this point, your file manager will open. Navigate to the folder where your audio file is stored. In the next step, tap on the audio file you want to upload to select it. Following this, the upload will begin automatically, and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen. Once done, the audio file will now appear in your Google Drive, and you can access it from any device logged into the same Google account. From here, if you want to upload the file to a specific folder instead of the main drive, navigate to that folder first before tapping the plus icon. At this stage, keep in mind that Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage, shared across your Google account, so make sure you have enough space before uploading large audio files. Finally, to play or share the file later, just tap on it inside Google Drive, and use the options available to stream it or send it to someone. And that's it! If this guide helped you upload audio to Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.